So some of the Jamaican high school track and field coaches have come out swinging at the decision to cancel champs, suggesting that the cancellation was premature and it was a rush decision and blah, blah, blah. J3's president, Dr. Warren Blake, was also upset that as the president of the local body and an experienced medical doctor, he was not duly consulted in the making of the decision. The coaches and Dr. Blake seem to be trending towards staging champs without spectators. But hey, we all understand the disappointment of all involved, including the coaches and Dr. Blake. But good God, man, we don't see how Miss Corona are going bad. All over the world, public gatherings are being limited. Social distancing is the new slang. People must avoid interacting as much as possible to stop this thing from spreading. Since the champs' decision, character games get cancelled and the pen relays get cancelled, and them still don't accept that the right decision was made. Well, all right, since these coaches and the J3's president so adamant that champs should have keep, Uno, go on up a stadium, go run. Yes. The Maverick will do the commentary. Yes, see that. The champs Corona 100-meter final. It's Coach David Riley, who is fastest out of the blocks. In second place is Coach Corey Bennett. Oh, then Dr. Warren Blake is trying to recover from a poor start. It is Riley from Bennett, from Blake, with Coach Lee Von Blatt flying on the outside to nip them on the line.